Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to enroll to Truist Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Truist Bank enroll. And click on this first website over here. Now choose your personal account. And you can choose your account number. Here we need to enter our account number. Enter your social security number. Here we need to enter the last 4 digits of our social security number. Enter the zip code. Now enter your email address. And once you are done, simply click on continue. After this, the verification of our email address and the given information will be done. Once the verification is done, we'll get into further step, that is creating your username and password. After which we can log in to our Truist account. So this is all we can do to enroll to Truist Bank online banking. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.